Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Apple ID on iOS 18, 2025. Now this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. The first step you want to do right now is, of course, make sure that you have the latest version. Right now, the latest version is iOS 18.5. To get there, I want you to go to your settings. Again, once you're in settings, I want you to go to your general, alright? This one right here. Now once you're under general, look for the one that says software update. Now before going to software update, I want you to check on your about phone, making sure you have the latest version right there or your current version, and then your iPhone unit. iPhone XR and XS are the latest versions and above to get the latest version of 18, if I'm not mistaken. Now to get the latest version updated to your device, please click on this software update. Now once you click on software update, you're gonna see here that if you're up to date, it's gonna say iOS is up to date on the lower part, and the latest version right now while I'm recording this video is gonna be iOS 18.5. Now, if you don't have iOS 18.5 or 18, it's gonna be a reason now to upgrade to a new phone, and I think the minimum requirement for iOS 18 is gonna be iPhone X and above. Again guys, once you're satisfied with this one, next up, go back on settings. And then to log in or create a new Apple ID, you need to have this, your current one, sign out. So sign out this, I'll click sign out for this one and click sign in by simply clicking on that one and you'll be good to go. Again, if you want to create a new Apple ID on your new phone, go to the settings, click on the Apple ID, and you're gonna see in here sign in. Just follow the prompts on your details, your name, your address, and your email address, and you'll be good to go. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.